to my channel, welcome. I am Ria, and on my channel I love to make videos to share all the ideas that I find helpful in my life that I know that you guys might find helpful in your life. And I tend to do Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree DIYs, recipes, cleaning videos, basically any video or any idea that I feel might be of help with you guys. I love to make a video for it and share it with you guys. And I tend to love to do things on a budget because no matter who you are, everybody can save money. And so most of the videos that I do basically deal with ways to save money and doing things on a budget. So this video is no exception to the videos that I always do is trying to save money, because it's all about Mother's Day gift ideas, and it's basically Mother's Day gift ideas on a budget as well. So Mother's Day is less than a week away, and we tend to sometimes Mother's Day creeps up on us and we tend to try to go to the store and buy last minute gift ideas for the mothers in our lives, or basically teachers gift ideas, or whoever it might be. Because it creeps up so fast and we're so busy, we tend to just go to the store and basically buy what they have at the store. And a lot of times the gift ideas that they have at the store, they hike up the prices, and you can basically recreate those same ideas at home for way less. And that is what I'm going to do today. Today I'm going to share with you guys some picture frame ideas, some picture frame decor ideas that you can make for the mother in your life, or even for yourself. The ones that I'm sharing with you guys today, I'm making them for my mom, but I also made a version for myself because I just loved how they turned out, that I wanted to make them for my home as well. And I wanted to share with you guys that the sayings that I'm sharing with you guys that I'm putting in these picture frames are not mine. I did not come up with any of them on my own, and I don't like taking credit for things that I don't come up with on my own. So the sayings that I will be recreating on my computer and put in the picture frames to share them with you guys are things that I've seen at the store and online and are not mine. But this DIY that I'm sharing with you guys is so simple, so easy to make last minute for your mom, and you really don't need any type of skill to make these. I know a lot of times people are saying they're not good with DIYs. This is really simple to make. If you have a computer, if you have a printer, and if you go to the store and get some beautiful picture frames for Dollar Tree, or even if you have some beautiful picture frames at home, you can recreate this DIY for your mom, and it comes out beautiful for their home or for your home as well. So if you would like to see how to make some simple and easy, quick Mother's Day picture frame decor ideas, then stay tuned to this video. So for the first picture frame decor DIY that I created, it says, "My greatest blessings call me mom." And this picture, you basically can decorate it any way you like, but I like the flower pattern that I added to it. And you add the dates of the birthdays of all your children. Now I only have 2, but I also created one for my mom, which she has 3 kids. So this can be customized any way depending on how many kids you do have. Now if you have more than 2 or 3, you might want to go smaller on the size when it comes to the names and the dates, but you can fit all your kids on here as well. I did make a blank one for you guys because I love you guys and I appreciate so much how you guys support me on my channel. I decided to make a blank one for you guys so that you guys are able to upload it to any picture program and add your kid's name to it and make it yourself if you like the way that I designed it. So go ahead and get that free printable. Then I just put it in a gold picture frame that I found at Dollar Tree, which I love this gold picture frame. And you guys know Dollar Tree has many more picture frames there to go with any style that you have. And you can also buy these beautiful little vases and put some succulents in them, and they can also be Mother's Day gift ideas as well. Or you can take some marbles and a vase and some beautiful Dollar Tree flowers and also make a beautiful bouquet for your mom. So these are some other ideas as well. So the next picture frame decor sign that I created was a 2-sided kitchen sign. I wanted to have a 2-sided kitchen sign that you could flip over depending on what time of day it is. And so I created a kitchen close sign. This chick has had it to be used whenever you've cleaned your kitchen and the kitchen is closed for the night, because I always tell my kids, once I've cleaned the kitchen is closed. And then I made another sign to go on the other side that we can use all day long that says, "Mama's Kitchen, seasoned with love." So basically this part of the sign will be shown all day long, and then once I've done the dishes and I've cleaned my kitchen for the night, I flip over the sign, and then that's when you'll have the kitchen close sign. This chick has had it, and I thought it was just so cute. I also made one for my mom because my mom, all my kids call my mom Mima. So I made one that says Mima's Kitchen, where memories are made and grandkids are spoiled. So I thought that was cute for her to have. And then I know a lot of you guys call your grandparents Nana. So I also made one that says Nana's Kitchen, where memories are made and grandkids are spoiled. And all of these 4 versions will be available for you guys as a free printable on my website. The picture frames that I'll be using for this sign is the double-sided picture frames that I got a while back at Dollar Tree. They come in a variety of colors. They come in white, black, and they even came in this light blue, which I wasn't a fond of, but it had like a farmhouse feel to it. But the ones that I did purchase was I purchased 2 black ones and 2 white ones because I knew eventually I would use them down the line for something. For this DIY, I'm going to be using the white ones because I did make kind of like a chalkboard feel sign to it, and I like how the black rooster goes against the white as well. So I'm taking off the paper and I'm going to separate the 2 pieces to open up this picture frame. You can easily open up this picture frame. Just use a butter knife to find an opening to kind of pop the picture frames apart. Now be gentle with this because you do not want to break your picture frame, because then it won't go back together like it should. And we know this Dollar Tree stuff can break easily, so you don't want to sit there and try to take this apart too harshly and then it doesn't stick back together. But I'm just going to remove the plastic piece from the middle, and then I'm going to remove the 2 pieces from each other so that I can use the plastic piece kind of like as a guide to cut the shapes off for the the signs that I printed out. So here I am with the plastic that came with it, and I'm basically putting it over the signs that I created just so that I can cut out the right piece so that it can fit in between these picture frames perfectly. And they're going to be a little bit bigger than what the printables that I made, but that's good because it's going to fit so that it kind of fits snug in between both pieces. Now, once you cut out both sides of your signs, I just used basically some glue sticks to glue those 2 together because I wanted them to be one piece when I put them in between the 2 pieces of the picture frame. So this is how they look once they're stuck together. You want to align them perfectly so that it doesn't look all weird. And this is an optional thing to do. I laminated mine because I have a laminator at home because I wanted this to be in the kitchen, and of course, stains can get on it and you don't want to get, your signs all dirty. So this is not, you don't have to do this, but I do recommend doing that because if you laminate it, you can easily wipe them whenever you need to clean down your kitchen. If you don't have a laminator, you can always use contact paper on both sides, and that is an easy lamination that you can do without having a laminator. But here it is how I cut it. Now I'm just putting it back in the picture frame, and you want to make sure that you align it exactly how you want it to look on the picture frame. There is like little spots in this picture frame where you can kind of sit the actual printable perfectly on it, but you still want to kind of maneuver it so it looks the way you want it, because sometimes some things shift. So just make sure it's perfectly how you want it before you clip it together. This sign I think came out so cute, and it looks so good in my kitchen, and even my kids are having fun turning the kitchen sign. The same night that I made it, my oldest one was so excited to be able to turn the clothes sign that night, and then my littlest one was happy to be able to turn the sign back in the morning. So they're loving this sign as well. And here I'm also showing you how you can decorate with the gray vase as well and add a succulent to them. I love these little vases. They look so beautiful, and adding any succulents to it is a great gift for Mother's Day. And then if you see these lemons at Target, go ahead and buy them because they will look great with this picture frame as well to give to your mom or for your home as well. Also, don't forget that all these printables are going to be a free printable for you guys on my webpage, and I'll have the link in the description box below. So that is it for that Mother's Day DIY, guys. It was really simple, really easy to make, and as you can see, I have mine sitting right here. I just love the way that it came out. I mean, like I said, it's so simple to make. You really don't need no skills to make these. As long as you have a computer, a printer, and a beautiful picture frame, you can definitely make this for your home or for the mothers in your life. Let me know in the comments down below any ideas that you guys have for Mother's Day. I would love to see the DIY ideas that you have, but I really wanted to share it with you guys something this time that was real simple, real easy, and last minute to make, because a lot of times we just don't have the time to make them. And I'm really into making decor lately, as you guys know, for my home and for my mom. So I definitely wanted to make something that had to do with picture frame decor and something that was really easy for you guys to make last minute that anybody can do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like down below if you did enjoy this video. And if you didn't enjoy this video, okay, then give me a dislike and let me know why. I always want to know why you guys didn't like a video. So let me know down below as well. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.